Can you modify your real estate mortgage loan while you're in bankruptcy? Hi, I'm attorney Leroy Roberson, and this is what I want to talk about to you today. And mainly in bankruptcy, most of the time in a Chapter 13, people's biggest assets are their homes. And that's the biggest thing that they want to protect. And honestly, it's what I love doing and practicing bankruptcy for, is to help people protect their homes. So this topic is really important to me, and I think it can be really useful to you. So the answer is yes, you can apply for real estate mortgage modification loans while you're in bankruptcy. In Chapter 13 bankruptcy specifically, because in Chapter 7, it's so fast that it's not set up that way. But in California, both in the central districts and the northern districts, they have programs set up where you can apply while you're in your Chapter 13 bankruptcy for this modification. And in the central district, it's the LMM program, which stands for Loan Modification Management Program. In the northern district, it's the MMM program, which is the Mortgage Modification Mediation Program. But they both work very similarly. And let me first start out by saying that it is a slight extra cost in addition to your Chapter 13 bankruptcy, but if it goes the way it should go, it's well worth it. And here's why. Normally, when you're applying for a loan modification, you go directly through the lender. A lot of times you may go through people who aren't attorneys who may try to actually take advantage of you, but you're sending them documents. You may have to send them documents multiple times. You have no way of knowing if they're going to actually receive the documents or if they're going to play games and pretend like they didn't receive the documents. Well, these programs, you're actually in the bankruptcy and they're overseen by the bankruptcy court, and they will make sure that everything runs smoothly. In fact, you actually work with a third party independent company where you're submitting your documents. They'll work with you to make sure you get all of your documents done right, and they will actually monitor your loan modification. So there can't be any gameplay in this program, because this third party company ensures that all the documents are received, all the documents are filed, and they don't have any incentive to play the game of, oh, we didn't receive the documents. So these programs don't actually guarantee that you're gonna get a modification, but they make the process much easier, and it's very easy to get into this program. You just have to file a motion while you're in bankruptcy, and usually, they go through pretty swiftly as far as being approved to at least enter the program. And then after that, you just go through the process of getting all your documents. And a lot of the documents are similar to the documents you submit for your bankruptcy anyway. So you have a lot of them on hand. So it kind of works hand in hand, and it's a real big benefit if you're doing a Chapter 13 bankruptcy and you have a home and you're having issues with your home. If you feel that your mortgage is a little bit higher than you would like, this is a very good program to get into. And so if you're in the central district or the northern districts of California, this video is specifically for you. Definitely look into it if you're looking into filing bankruptcy. And if you have any other questions about that, feel free to let me know and we can talk about it in more detail. If not, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great day, guys.